The fact that the joint trade volume of Europe and the US is set to increase again and cross the $1 trillion threshold in 2024 proves how much the two countries need each other. Nevertheless, the fact that the leaders are putting up shields, especially in strategic sectors such as steel, aluminum, automobiles, and semiconductors, leads to the assessment that trade blows are being risked in the short term. Some commentators believe that these moves are a bargaining chip that will eventually bring the US and the EU to the table, and that both sides may eventually move towards a comprehensive trade deal. However, the harsh statements made in recent weeks have increased uncertainty in the markets and the business world. This uncertainty worries automotive industry stakeholders the most. While the European automotive industry was experiencing its heyday with exports to the US as of 2024, it now faces the risk of rising customs walls. In addition to Germany's giant brands, high-end vehicles produced in France, Italy, and Spain have long been in high demand on American roads. If the EU were to retaliate with a Phase 2 retaliation, we are imposing additional tariffs on cars and spare parts from the US. American brands could be hit hard in the European market. In fact, even though both Washington and Brussels have said the automotive sector is an unfavorable front, taking steps in this area will hurt everyone. No sector is safe at this point of tension. Pharmaceuticals and medical devices face a similar dilemma. As one of the world's leading drug manufacturers, the US generates millions of dollars in revenue from the European market, while European companies ship critical pharmaceutical and vaccine supplies to the US. If tariffs were to harden here too, the outlook could be difficult, not only economically but also in terms of public health. But as long as the public is given the message, we will not back down in the leaders' statements, this possibility cannot be ruled out. Likewise, a trade barrier in the semiconductor and technology sectors could create a new bottleneck in the already troubled global chip supply.